Today's simple recipe is Thai curry noodles. This recipe is ready in no longer than 15 minutes, so make sure that you stick around, don't skip forward, because it will be done before you know it. And we're gonna begin by setting a pan on medium-high heat. And when the pan is hot enough, we're going in with about 2 tablespoons of oil. Now, although the Thai red curry paste has quite a bit of garlic in it, I wanna add something extra because I wanna feel it slightly stronger. But after cooking, you're gonna lose most of it anyway. With the garlic in, we're gonna cook this for about 2-3 minutes. And now we wanna follow with the Thai red curry paste. This is 170 grams altogether. We're gonna use half. Once you added this in, we're gonna cook it for further 3 minutes. And now is the time when we can go in with the coconut milk. I've got here 400 milliliters, but we're only gonna use half. And now we're gonna bring this to simmering temperature and we're gonna turn off the heat. And we've got here boiling water, which we're gonna use to cook the noodles. We're gonna get them into the boiling water, put the lid on and leave them for about 3 minutes. You don't wanna go more than that because they're gonna turn mushy. And yes, you don't even need to have this on the heat because there is quite a lot of heat in that water already, and the rice noodles, they cook quite fast anyway. And with the rice noodle cooked, we're gonna get them into the sauce. And now the plan is to cook this for a further 2 minutes or until the noodles absorb some of that flavor from the sauce. And if you feel like the noodle sauce gets a bit too thick, then you can go in with a bit of that water where we cook in the noodles. And to finish your dish, you can get in some roasted chopped peanuts to give a bit of texture. And you can serve this immediately, and if you wish, during the cooking process, you can add chicken, you can add prawns. It's totally up to you. And if you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple recipes like this.